Hey everyone, it's Orly, and I'm here with Pat Ciniello, owner of Headpins Entertainment Center, and we had a few questions for you today. Hope that's okay.
That's fine.
All right. I'm a little nervous because I hear a lot about you, this legend.
I'm easy. I don't.
So how was your business this past year? Do you see any positive trends?
Oh, definitely, definitely. Our business is up over 20% over 2021, 22, and up 17% over 2019 pre-pandemic.
Oh, wow. That's great. And as an operator, I know labor continues to be a big challenge, especially given business volume. How are you managing this?
It's very difficult right now. I mean, we're short people, but right now with the robots, it's kind of helping us out quite a bit.
Yeah, speaking of robot, as you can see it down here. And Pat, we all know that you're laser focused on the customer and you run a tight ship. How are you managing to keep a high level of customer satisfaction and retention?
Well, we have a bonus situation where we're paying people a little more on the weekends where the majority of our business is, so we pay $2 more per hour. And definitely the robots and the kiosks are a big part of helping that experience with customers.
Okay. And how have your customers and staff reacted to Bella the robot?
It's a wow. It's fantastic. I mean, they really enjoy Bella. Bella at one location had over 60,000 views on Facebook. As far as the employees are concerned, they love it because they're able to stay in the bowlers area. They could take their orders on their cue pad. It goes into the kitchen, and Bella then delivers it, which is getting them more tips, which is another big plus for them. So they're very happy with the help they're getting from Bella.
Yeah, everybody's always happy with more tips. Well, we appreciate your time, and we'll see you around.
Okay. Thank you.